First I thought it's decoration, but it's real. Oh well, have a nice day. It is empty as well. Yesterday I just cleared out the front garden and yeah, I make a mess again. Took the old furniture out from this area here. So our kitchen, that's what it looks like now. Still a lot of mess, but I took the things out. So before they make this building, there was a window over here. And that's gonna be our shower and toilet. And my biggest fear to come true. Right, so we've got rooting logs over here. What I found is the ant nest. You see the ants lived over here. This all wood is wooden. So I have to replace it. I will cut it somewhere here, out there, and then somewhere there. The doors will have to come out. I would like to keep them, but they're not in the best condition. As you see here. I like those old doors. Trying to ride your sister's bike. Liz! Şimdi sol gidersin. Right, and that's the greenhouse. Show what I'm doing now. Dig a trench from the well, all the way down here. There's electricity cables. So dig the trench all the way here. Here there will be water pump in that place there. So then the cold water from the water pump gets inside the house. Then somewhere in this place there will be boiler. The cold and hot water goes into a shower here. And then the two pipelines goes over here into our kitchen, which is here. So trying to make it level. Grey water from the dishwasher, washing machine, and the sink goes into that pipe there. And it goes outside. And then it goes in the first tank, then it goes to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, until it comes out clean. Then with that water, we can water those trees. There will be pipeline from the toilet and the shower, and separate one from there from the kitchen. By the way, that's all the stones that I found in the kitchen. Like this one here, couldn't take it out, so I dig a deeper hole, and that's it. He will stay there. Pachinko? Half an hour probably.